what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong. Sure, we're having fun. But
oh, don't she look so pretty?
Pretty is not the word.
Hold on, let me sit
the
up.
The word is not pretty.
Oh.
Yeah, turn on your light. Give me some good lighting.
I
know.
Well, y'all not gonna see me because I'm in my PJs. She's getting ready to go out to her little birthday dinner. Don't mind my vacuum cleaner right there, y'all. I was cleaning up today.
Don't mind that.
Does she look cute?
I don't know what shoes. I kind of want to play it casual with hence the jacket. So I think I may end up doing my white Converse. And you can kind of see my underwear line, but it's fine. I'm going to be sitting down. It's cool. But like, I know. I'm that girl. I know. It's fine.
She's so silly. She's 20. My baby girl is 20.
Go and find shoes now.
I gotta go ahead and get my pizza, y'all.
That's fine.
Yep, my baby girl is 20 today.
Yeah, but
and this one here laying down with her panda.
Hey guys,
say hi, Randy.
Still got him.
Good job.
Put it on the bottom. And
I put it there.
you can put the apple juice on the top.
No, I put that apple juice in the middle so you can easily, when she throw her pizza and stuff away, you'll be able to see it. The only reason you couldn't see it because that pizza was there, like I said. Ain't that what I just said? Okay. Why are you going for?
girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time. When you say you want me for life, was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya. You're the one I want and I love ya, no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else.
Good morning, guys. How y'all doing? Welcome back to the family channel and the crew. I just gave y'all a quick little rundown of how our morning goes. Sometimes it goes smoother than that. Sometimes it doesn't go so smooth. Just kind of depends on the time. But excuse me. Okay. But my sinuses and allergies been acting up bad, and I still have been congested since January. Y'all know that. Okay. Either I'm gonna hit the lottery or come into a whole lot of money some kind of way, y'all. I'm claiming it. In the name of Jesus, I'm claiming it. Okay. But y'all know since January I've been congested. I've been telling y'all that. It just will not go away. My doctor finally called me in some new fluid pills. And, well, she increased my heart medication. And she called in some more fluid pills. So she said, hopefully that will help. The fluid pills I have a steroid in it. So this will be my third steroid that I have. One for my eyes, one for this fluid and stuff, and one for my asthma. So I already know what's going to happen. But it's okay. It is what it is. Hey, you know. But I'm hoping it's going to make me feel better. I'm starting on some antibiotics. I started on them yesterday. And I'm feeling better than I was the last 2 days. Because the first day, I was sick, but not bad. But I just stayed in the bed. I did my vapor bath. You know, I put my vapor bath stuff in the tub, ran some hot water, rubbed myself down, and I got in the bed. That was Monday, yes. You can turn it. Well, it's okay. You ain't gonna need it because you finna get out the car. All right, y'all. But like I said, we finna just chill for a little minute or so before we get out. I'm gonna do the basic parenting thing. Be good. Do I listen? And you be like, Mama, I always listen. But yeah. Hey y'all, what's up? And let me tell y'all, I am so tired of coughing. Okay, so tell y'all what I'm gonna put in it. In here, this is some Bacardi rum, but this is also some honey lemon with Bacardi rum and some ginger in this bottle. So I'm gonna put some of this in there in my tea, and I'm doing the Sleepy Time herbal tea because this really have been helping me. I'm gonna put 2 of them in there though, because one is not strong enough for me. Because I do a big cup, so I'm gonna put 2 of them in. And like I said again, this is some Bacardi rum, honey, lemon, and ginger. That's why it's this color. And I'm not measuring it. I'm just pouring some in here. Because I'm not taking any cough medicine right now. Because like I said, I can't take it until I get back. Now, if I didn't have anywhere to go, I would definitely take my cough medicine with this. And then I'm about to take one of my antibiotics, though. I am going to do that. And my antibiotic that I have does not have any penicillin in it. So I'm just going to let this tea sit for a few minutes while I take my medicine. And it is hot. It is dead. I'm about to plug this humidifier up in my room. I had it in Phillips for watching Criminal Minds. I'm uploading a video, so you guys will get that video. And I was just talking about that stuff with everything that happened with Derrick Jackson. And y'all know he was a self-proclaimed relationship guru. He was on YouTube. Yeah, and I'm going to take a video. I'm only going to take one, though. He was YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. I know if y'all done heard about that. I was just talking about that. Then that stuff for Kurt Franklin. And like I said, not slamming anybody or nothing. I was just giving, my thoughts and opinion on just how, how people put all of these folks on pedestals, And you shouldn't put anybody on a pedestal like that and give anybody that much, I don't want to say power over your life, but to where people were saying how they were so hurt and disrespected and disappointed in them, and you should never give anybody that much of you, and you don't know them. You know what I mean? It's just, yeah. So I was talking about that. Hold on a second, y'all. All right, I just brought my humidifier in here. So I'm about to turn this humidifier on. I don't need the light on. I will be taking my antibiotics in a little bit, but I'm about to take one Benadryl right now. And this one here is the Benadryl allergy and congestion. Like I said, I have my Robitussin and stuff. I went and got me another one yesterday. I did my inhaler a few minutes ago. And the other 2 is Philip inhalers. I'm watching Criminal Minds. I'm about to only take 1 of these instead of 2. And drink me some tea. And my tea is right here. I just took my Benadryl. Let's say I'm about to finish uploading this other video for you guys. Like I said, if y'all have not seen my video on my second channel. Is that a turtle? I'm sorry, you guys. I'm looking at my window. That looks like a turtle out in our backyard. He's just sitting there. But, so the video when we went to Ross and TJ Maxx, it's on my second channel. You guys can see some stuff that I got. My stand over here. if I'm feeling better tomorrow, I'm going to put everything together. Because I put my bathroom stand together. Y'all probably seen the glimpse of that. When I walked in my bathroom, I hung up my shower curtains. So I'll show you guys all of that tomorrow in another video. I'm just tired. And I want to at least, I have like 50 minutes before I got to leave to go get Philip. So I just want to relax. And then when I get back home, I'm going to take me another vapor bath. I will show you guys when I get back the stuff that I use. And I'm just going to soak in that. And then take another one of my antibiotics and my other pills and rest for the rest of the day. And hopefully tomorrow I'll be feeling better. Because she said to give it at least 3 days. And today is the 3rd day. So hopefully tomorrow I'll be back and better. Because I'm already feeling better than I was. And so yeah. And then my face look all this because I have moisturizer on it. But that's it. But I'll be back, you guys. Okay.